Nestled in the rolling hills of Alamo, California, just a short drive from San Francisco, lies Fieldhaven Estate, a property that proves you do not have to choose between historical whimsy and high-tech sustainability. Spanning over 21 acres, this sprawling estate feels less like a standard residential lot and more like a private, modern-day kingdom, designed for those who appreciate old-world craftsmanship alongside serious engineering. At the heart of the property is a 20,000 square foot main residence designed with a distinct Storybook architectural aesthetic. The property showcases a globally sourced palette of stone cladding, handcrafted timber, and European statuary. The home balances grand proportions with intricate details, boasting 10 bedrooms and an impressive 22 bathrooms. It is a design choice that practically guarantees no guest will ever have to wait in line, even during the most crowded soirees. Nearby, a detached 1,100 square foot guest house features a striking tower element. While car enthusiasts are treated to a specialized car barn. Disguised as a traditional rustic horse barn, this structure secretly houses over 20 vehicles, complete with maintenance lifts and cleverly concealed roll-up garage doors hidden behind traditional barn doors. Living here is an exercise in choosing your own adventure. On any given afternoon, residents can host a formal dinner by the European fountains, cook up a feast in the stone grotto kitchen, or abandon all adult responsibilities to slide down the oversized pool's water slide. For those seeking quiet contemplation, or perhaps a highly executive game of hide and seek, a suspension bridge leads to a whimsical treehouse nestled high in the oak canopy. Yet beneath this fairy tale veneer lies a powerhouse of modern utility. Fieldhaven is surprisingly forward-thinking. It features a massive, dedicated solar field designed to offset the estate's energy footprint, a 50-well geothermal heating loop, and a subterranean water retrieval system tucked neatly beneath the manicured lawns to manage irrigation. Ultimately, Fieldhaven Estate demonstrates how grand residential architecture can be both deeply playful and structurally sophisticated. It is a legacy property that successfully pairs the warmth and character of a European countryside retreat with the cutting-edge, self-sustaining comforts of 21st century California living.